Hi, everyone. Welcome to Building Public with Jahid. I hope you're doing amazing and having a very good Saturday. Today, we're going to build several apps together. So I'm going to show you how to actually build an app, the front end, the design, the back end, all the infrastructure, but also how to add some AI integration. So this is going to be a walkthrough building with me and also with you. So please open your computer, go to native, and start building your app while I'm building so we can actually share and see how each of us are working. So I hope you're doing good. Have your tea, your drinks, your snacks, and let's just start building together amazing apps. And also we can push them to App Store, Play Store, and start making money. And so now is the best time to build mobile apps, and you just do a bit of marketing, and you can get lots of users out. But of course, it's a journey. And me, myself, I'm building in public and I love it. So I really hope that you guys also do build in public and then, find your users, build several apps, and then find the one which makes things to go up. So let's just start building and let's enjoy this today. So my first app will be that there's lots of content which is AI generated. So when we want to make a post on LinkedIn, and any other social platforms, we'd like to actually ask AI to write for that for us. But also there are some signs which it shows actually that this is AI generated, which might not be a good sign for our audience. For example, if our readers notice that this is actually AI generated, so they might not take our posts very seriously anymore. So we will, we lose our credibility. That's why, what we are building is that we are building a simple app. Actually, you can copy paste your post and then it actually detect if there are some AI signs, if it's AI generated. So it actually, refine it. So we're building an app that shows if it's AI generated content or not for social media. And then it actually modify it if it is too much AI sounded. So we just make it very human. And I think that, I need this app for myself for LinkedIn. But also, I see that lots of friends are actually posting, content without noticing the small AI details in the post, which actually, it kind of destroy the picture or the image of the writer because you just think that, okay, you didn't even pay attention to these small details like dashes, that there are, and these are all AI generated. So I think having a tool in the app that helps you to build your brand credibility and then have this very good writing and like modifying it. That's amazing. So let's just start building and let's see how it goes. Build me also one thing that I forgot. We also have plan mode now. So you can work with native and plan your app, what features you want, like how it should look like. So this is amazing. This is a new feature just came out last week, yesterday. And so I just hope that you're using it and enjoying it. And let me know how is your experience with the plan mode feature. So let's just start building this. Build me uh, a mobile app for filtering AI content. So the way it should work is that I copy paste the content like a LinkedIn post. Let's actually make it for LinkedIn, yeah? Build me a for filtering AI LinkedIn content. Exactly. So the way it should work is that I copy paste the link, the text, and it should detect the AI signs, modify the text into a non-AI content. So it removes the signs that show it's AI generated. So here, I just, try to write the prompt myself, but also, understand whether this prompt makes sense for me and then give it to AI. And of course, like the features should be, let's say, okay, let's just like give this prompt and then like, let's see, what the plan model is actually asking us. So let's give it a go. And we just let, natively to build our app for us. So here is a question that our plan model is asking. What would you like me to plan? Pick a suggestion to describe your own. So I'm going to say, I think I want to go with the first one. So I'm going to choose this one. Yeah, I'm going to start building this. And also, we just released our new agent yesterday. So let me know how it works for you and how is the experience. So there are lots of updates coming, actually, which I will show you two new updates, amazing ones in app purchase, but also push notifications in a bit. I'm going to make a content exactly for that soon, but I'm going to show you, what it is. So I just like want to make you wait a bit and then let's see. So yeah, exactly. And now the plan is complete. And then it actually asks us that should it start implementing or not. But of course, you can continue planning. But for me, like what had happened is that, it builds the backend, it builds the front end. Also, like we have the tabs there. So, and also it has AI signal summary. So I think if we're good, we can just go ahead and say, yes, implement it. If not, then you say, actually, no, let's continue planning. And then you add more things, you modify the prompt, and then you ask natively to start building your app. Um, so now, yeah, the backend and the front end, they're trying to be built. And yeah, we'll see how the app will look like. So it's Saturday. It's kind of quiet. I mean, it's okay weather in Stockholm. So now I'm in Stockholm for a week. And yeah, it's a bit raining, but it's just chill Saturday. So it's like super quiet. And yeah, I was like thinking that I miss, doing content for some days. So I just have to, do recording and build apps. Uh, I don't know. I just have this feeling, that if I don't do recordings and showing it to you guys, I'm just like missing something. I'm used to building in public a lot, and that's kind of something I like. And I think it's also good for you solopreneurs, for you like building apps. You build your audience. You actually build your public presence, and you just build a community. We actually could support you once you have the apps ready. Yeah, let me know what you're building. If you have some content idea that I should focus on, please let me know. Also, if you want to build with me in public, please just let me know, and then let's just start building and recording together. So perfect. Here's our app is ready. I don't like the design, the UI of it, but it's okay, So let's see if the functionality works. So LinkedIn filters. So I have made a post on LinkedIn. So let me copy paste that, and then I will actually try to see and humanize it. So let's see, humanize it, how it works. But also let me scan the picture, the app to actually scan that and see how it looks on my phone, because it's very important to actually see the app on your phone because you just have the experience. So this is Android. My iPhone is recording as a camera, but let's see how it works here. Amazing. So we can see actually, here are some results. So AI signals detected, vibe coding, buzzword, and then also just flow. I think, yeah, so here actually, it actually did a humanized text for us. So, and just made it a bit more human, which is, yeah, could be nice. Yeah, so I also have it on my app now, on my phone. I would like to try, to change the design, but it's all good. So yeah, here is the history. This is cool. Perfect. It actually works. And let's transfer to another one. Okay, let's go. And now I think so it works. So I've actually detect the AI signs, and actually it improves. So it makes it more human sounded, as we all want our content. But let's work with the design, to be honest, because I don't like this design. Just being very fair and honest to you. So for the design, I already have some ideas from Pinterest. So I really want to kind of use this design, but I just think want to use the background design, not the whole thing. So for me, what I do is that I look at Pinterest, what I really like, and then also I try to do a bit of Figma work and see how that works. Figma is taking a bit too much time for me, to design and sketch some stuff, but actually it's worth it, So let's just kind of go here. I have here the design. So what I'm gonna say is that please use this for the general design and branding of my app. So here, I just say that use it for the general design and branding, nothing else. So I just give it a go to my AI, and this is it. I think this is quite useful tool for people who are busy, for people, who just want to make a lot of content on LinkedIn and then just push it. But to be honest, for them, it's important to actually also have this app to see if it's AI generated or not. We'll also make it a bit humanized, so the audience is still engaging and thinks that it's actually human writing. I think, it's hard to avoid, now, to be honest, AI, writings, because we all try, So just being very honest, with each other here is that we all use AI to write things. And it's not a bad thing, I think AI helps us to structure our thoughts, write things in a simple way, in an easy way. Also, sometimes we might have grammar problems, so it actually is good to use AI to make less of those issues. But it's still, it's important to actually check it out and then see and make it human sounded, because we still, want to make sure that the audience and the listeners are actually enjoying it, and they're not, offended that it's actually, very not, kind of not very thoughtful content, and we just, ask AI, push it, and then make the whole, things just garbage in, garbage out. So this app is useful. I think you can charge, let's say, 5 to 10 or $15 per month. Because I have some friends that they're asking me that, okay, what are the app ideas that we should build? To be honest, you can actually use Google search. You can see that, what people are searching for. I think that's the base way. It's like, this, system engineering, which are like backward engineering, where you actually see what people are searching and then you kind of want to match those demands. Because there are like so many app ideas that we might think, oh my God, but really this app? To be honest, if people are searching and if people need that, of course, yes. So I think, we shouldn't just be so hard on ourselves to go find the best ideas. I think, the best ideas are the ones that are good and they're being executed in the best way. So just, go find the idea, search it, and then just build simple version of it, like one feature app and give it a go and let, people use and give you feedback. And then you iterate on those feedbacks and actually make the best app that you think. So here our AI is working. So let's see, how it will come up with the design. So that will be super fun. Yeah, I just wished you're building and then, yeah, just let me know if you're building. I can follow you on LinkedIn, on X, on Reddit, YouTube, because I'm on all the platforms. So nice, actually. So it actually did copy the design here. So I can see on my phone, it's actually updated. This actually looks clean, so I like this watch, this like way better. Um, but of course, you can also see it here. It changed. And also, actually, we had the issue, where history and LinkedIn was actually pushed above. There was some aging and a space issue, but now it's super clean. Of course, we can add lots of features here. We can add, scheduling for our posts. We can add dates. We can add topics. We can also maybe search, for having some topics to write. But, let's try again if it works. So this is my text, from LinkedIn. And let's see, humanize it, and let's see how it goes. Perfect. So we have two, and actually, this is how it works. So let me actually copy paste this, and then ask AI, and then see how it actually does it. So let's do it. Perfect. So I think actually, redefine it more. So I think here you can also get, several versions of the text, the post, and see, like which one is the one that actually fits and you think is the best. And of course, we're going to use this app, for writing posts. So let's actually, like do like one more thing here. Okay. I'm going to say, thanks. Let's also add the option to draft a LinkedIn post from scratch. So we have two options: write a LinkedIn post, and humanize post. So let's give it a go. So maybe because what happens here, that this can be a good app to actually create LinkedIn posts. But also, what we can do here is that if you go to the database, here we have storage. Imagine that you're a LinkedIn guru. You know how LinkedIn works. You know all the tips and tricks of it. You actually, upload your knowledge. You can upload your knowledge in the storage, and then ask AI to actually use that knowledge base, and then kind of prepare the LinkedIn post based on that. So you can actually, work with AI and then give it a knowledge base. So it goes on a pack, on the storage, on your knowledge base. It extracts the little details, hacks on how to grow on LinkedIn, how to write LinkedIn posts, and then it actually try to give the users a good LinkedIn post, which is good. So you can actually do this a bit on also like to give a bit extra value, and then like making this different than someone who is trying ChatGPT and this app. So they have to get a better result when they're using your app. So I think there's lots of things that you can do. It all comes back to how creative you are and how much you want to push in terms of how to make this app great and provide value to the users. Amazing. So here we have two options: humanize post or write post. So I think this is super cool. And here, we can actually choose, do we want to have it professional, casual, yeah, we can choose, what type of content we want. And also, storytelling. So it's super nice. So we can try this, but it's still, the build is not finished. So let's wait and then we can try it out. So this actually can, I think, yeah, like you can charge $5 to $10 or a bit more. If you add more features, you can actually charge more. But yeah, this is an app idea that actually can make money. So I'm just telling you. So Uh, yes, amazing. Here we have the stories, the history. Yeah. Yep. Also, what we can add is that we can actually add scheduling for posts. For example, if you want to make content a lot, so you can actually have smart scheduling. What makes sense, what type of content makes sense for what day, for what time. So that can be like cool feature because so many people they actually don't know when to post. So I think we can actually have a nice uh, you know, algorithm here. We can actually put some knowledge in the storage from our experience, what time works, why, and all these things. So then AI can actually suggest a very smart scheduling for LinkedIn posts. So I think this would be amazing because I do ask and use some tools for that. So I'm not gonna share the names, but actually, if it will be as a mobile app, I would love to use it. So just saying it. So perfect. So here we have, and let's build let's write a post. Please write me a post about my vibe coding journey with natively. I built an app and now deploying it to App Store, Play Store. Let's make it professional. Let's generate the post here. Amazing. So here is our post. Taking a step back to reflect on my coding journey with natively. I find myself both amazed and grateful for the growth and learning along the way. I think this is, like a very nice post, but of course you can actually generate another post and also, try to copy and then post it and paste it. We can try to copy and paste it also in the humanized post section and then kind of see how that actually works. Is it, too much AI? Is it human sounded? So yeah, we can do that, but also, we can actually schedule here, we can schedule a post and say, okay, let's have this post at this time. Also, maybe, we can mark it that, okay, this should be launched on this day. And then we can have notification where actually we say, okay, it's now the time to actually push this post, on LinkedIn. So you can just do that. But here is all comes down to how creative you are and actually, how you want to use this further and then how you want to improve it. So I think here this is all about you. And as I mentioned, there are two new features. So you can actually, have in-app subscription now for your apps built with natively. So you can actually start charging people money for using your app. So you can actually, choose this price, or actually you can actually choose a customized package. You want to put your price, and then you can actually connect the revenue card, and then it actually is all done with natively. Also, we have in-app notification. You want to receive notification about publishing this post on LinkedIn. So we have this functionality with one signal now. So you can actually connect with one signal and then have all the notifications across your app. So these are two new features which are making mobile app development amazing, but also the experience so good for your users. So these are native experience for all the mobile apps. I'm gonna make specific content for both of these very soon. So I just want to make you sure that you're following this and waiting for the content coming soon. But also, you go and test this out. Kind of let me know if you have some questions, and then kind of try out to see how they work, and do you like the experience. But also, you can comment your experience, and then let me know how it goes, and then I can prepare better content for the coming days, doing for revenue cat and one signal. So this is app that we want to build. So this is cool. I can build a second app as well because I promised that we will build several apps. So let's build one more app and then we can wrap it up and then I let you all enjoy your Saturday on the weekend. So the second app is that I met one of my friends for dinner last night and he wants to start his meditation business. He likes coaching, he likes meditation. So I think what he needs is he needs a booking app for his customers for the stations. Let's build that simple booking app because I think lots of businesses they still don't have this booking system. They use WhatsApp, all messaging tools to be honest. But I think now with natively you can actually build amazing, nice booking apps and make the experience of your users 100x better or 10x. Let's see. But yeah, let's just start building this app together as well. And if you're a bit tired, go have your drink, pause this video, come back and let's, start building it together. But I really hope that you're also having the computer next to you, you're typing, you're prompting, and you're building and kind of see how it works for you. And, let's just push more apps and yeah. make money and also solve amazing problems out there with the base apps that we are building. So build me a booking platform mobile app for meditation and coaching. So users can book a session with me and see the pricing and also see some daily nice quotes. Let's use planning mode because I don't know what I want to see, so I really need AI to ask. So if you know what you want to build, the features and everything else, you can actually let them, like can kind of write them. But if not, then you can actually ask the plan mode and then get some help with our AI. So I'm gonna use the plan mode so a lot. Let's do that. Yeah. So here we have. So it's actually ask us question, build a full app with the homepage, services, pricing. Yeah, I'm gonna build this one. Yeah, let's go. And now let's see. So this is a very good actually feature that helps me, understand and then actually build my app in a very smart way. So this is super cool. Yes, let's start implementing, of course. So let's see. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So here's our app. Actually, it looks nice, simple. Here we have the services, but of course, yeah. So I had to fix this one. It's all good. Let's sign in and then let's see. Wow, this looks actually cute. Let me take a screenshot. This is actually nice. So let me sign in with Google, sign up. So perfect. So we have, yeah, this doesn't work. So let me just screenshot and then prompt this to be fixed. So yeah, the way I debug is I just ask AI fix it. Please fix this for me. Please just fix this. Yeah, we didn't see anything more. Yeah, so here we have, okay, there's an API error, which will get fixed. So let's see. Yes, there's an error. It's fine. Yeah, because we just I want to, click all around and see kind of what works, what not, and then kind of make sure that actually it's all good. But yeah, let me actually try to scan the QR code and see how it looks actually on my phone. So that would be a better way of also testing the app. Let's go. So this is our app icon, which looks good. I like this. This very simple icon. Nice. So here we have, it's fixed. So we have our booking. We can see the bookings here. We can see the services here. So the services not. Let me fix this one as well here. So yeah, you just kind of click all around and then see what works, what not. Let's fix this. Let's go. This is amazing. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Perfect. So it's fixed. Let's see. Yes, here, we can actually explore. Also, what happens here, we have to list, sessions and then we can actually see. So actually, that's something that, we have to tell AI, okay, these are my sessions for these days, but also, we can actually manage it from a database. You can list. But here, what happens is that you can, either work with AI or database, to list the sessions, or then because the user should not be able to list sessions, so it should be only you as an admin. But of course, we can also add admin thing here. That okay, please allow me to add sessions. But to be honest, the app that it would look like it will be like this. Let me actually fix this API issue as well. Let me say, please fix the API error 5. Also, let's have the daily quotes in the home section. Let's go. Nice. So here we have our daily quote. Good afternoon, Jahid. The present moment is the only moment available to us. It's actually so true. So now is the only time it matters, to be honest. So here we can see the services, which we have to add admin dashboard, and then we should list all the sessions ourselves. So we can actually do it. We can ask AI, hey, please, please, please add admin dashboard. So that I can log in and insert sessions which will be listed for users. Yeah, my typing is it's weekend. So yeah, we can just actually do that and then see how it goes. But yeah, so here we can see, begin the sessions. We can see what are available. We can actually then, see the bookings here. And of course, so this is a simple app. And I think this would really, help us to have, a very nice service for our users. And yeah, perfect. We built an app, which you can actually write LinkedIn posts and, actually also humanize it, make it more sounded like human. Also, we have the second app which is a booking app for meditation and coaching sessions, which you can actually have and then let your users use that and book sessions with you. So this is it. We've actually built two apps, amazing apps. One is that you can actually write LinkedIn posts and also humanize it, make it more human sounded. Then the second app, which is if you're a meditation coach or like you're having any coaching, you're building an app to actually manage your bookings so users can actually book sessions with you. Have an amazing Saturday, enjoy the weekend, but also enjoy building amazing apps. So just go build it natively and let me know if you want any specific content for me to make. But also, if you want to join with me to build in public, let me know. Let's do it together. Yeah, have a nice day and enjoy the journey. Cheers. Bye bye.